and all I have to do is use little cable, plug right here, and I'm ready to go. Hi there, and today's video I want to show you how I'm prepared for my field recording and what I'm using and what's in my bag. And first of all, I want to say thank you so much to my friends on Boom Library for sending this wonderful duffel bag. It's a great bag. It's very well organized, very well designed. And since I received this thing, all my gear is always packed inside. So if I'm ready to go, all I have to do is just grab my bag, put it in my trunk, and I'm ready to go. So guys, and Axel, guys, thank you so much. So let's jump in. So my first thing, what I use when I'm packing, is my hand recorder, and it's Portacapture XA. The reason why I choose this one, because it's record 192 kilohertz and 32-bit flat. And I have additional 4 in when I basically connect my shotgun microphone and any additional microphones what I want. And there's plenty information on the sounds, what's coming inside for me. So that will be my choice. The next thing what I use with this, there will be my windscreen. And for the windscreen, I use Movo, and I tell you why. Movo windscreen compared to other one have additional foam inside. So when it's very windy outside, it's actually prevent and stop a lot of additional winds. So my sounds come actually clean, and I don't have to deal after in post-production with cleaning all this additional wind. So work perfect. Additional things what I have, it's always my pistol grip. And as you see, the pistol grip I use in everything, and I find this on Amazon. It's like $5-6. It's very cheap, and it's also work as a tripod. So it's a great thing. The only things what I have to modify and to make working with Portacapture, actually I have to cut a little bit on top. So when I attach right here, it's not overlap with the horseshoe mount, what I show you my next step, what I'm using. So after, when I attach my pistol grip inside, I will go for my shotgun microphone. And there's right here. And what I'm using is RØDE NTG5. Guys, I have plenty of shotgun microphones and I use a lot of them, but since I get this thing, nothing even come close to this thing when it's come to be durable and work in the hot environment, close to the fire, water, dust. This is probably the best sounding shotgun microphone what you can get for this price, and reliable. So definitely guys, check them out. It's RØDE NTG5, and it's come with this windscreen protection. It's very strong, very well designed, so I always keep it on. The way how I'm mounting my microphone, I'm using the small rig shotgun microphone adapter, and you can find this thing on Amazon, and I'm leaving guys link to everything, whatever I'm using under, so you don't have to spend time searching and looking where is this stuff. This is what I already pick up and select here on the list. So if you're looking for any other stuff, you can just go look right here and can find it. So the way how I'm touching is very easy. Just slide under, and that's the beauty about the Portacapture. You have the horseshoe mount, and you can attach, and all I have to do is use little cable, plug right here, and I'm ready to go. That's pretty much like my field recorder when I'm going recording sounds when I just want to get like passing cars or some action. Oh, important thing, attach your windscreen, and I'm ready to go. Now, when I'm going and I want to record like some big metal objects or other things, when I want to get additional bass, I usually bring with me, always pack my LOM audio geophone. So I'm just going to plug this and additional port right here. And if I record like slamming doors or cars or anything, all I have to do, attach is magnetic. Oh, magnet fall out. It's in the back, but you just attach it and I'm ready to go. So that will be the geophone, and that's my handle recording. The next thing what I use, I always use backup recorder, and there will be my like Tascam DR07 XP, and it's right here. And I usually bring my additional pistol grip too and just attach. And how I say before, what is great for this, I can just place this not far away when I'm recording, and just give me like additional ambience room or any additional sounds. And you would think, how am I gonna sync this thing? I'm using the plugin, it's called like mic alignment, and basically it's aligned all the microphones for me. So if I want an additional room or ambience like here, I can always pull these 2 tracks from right here and match the mics and just work great. Or I just have like backup recording. Or a lot of times if I go and I want to place the mic quickly inside the car, I will be using like one of the clamps. Where is it? Like one of these clamps. A lot of my clamps and gear, what you see what I'm using in the video, it's fine from searching in the video department. So if you're ever looking for like any cool attachments, they're all using the same 3/4 screws right here. So that's just working perfect. All you have to do, attach, and you are able to mount under the car or any place you want. Or additionally, I use like magnetic clamps. It's always good when you attach this thing, you can always stick to anywhere, and they're very strong, and you can attach any of these recorders or microphones. So it works. The next thing what's come with this thing is very important. It's my headphones, my monitors. I'm using like Tascam, the TH MX2. They're not expensive, but the sound's fantastic, guys, and they cover my ear very well. So I'm using them all the time because you want to know what's going on. So it's important to hear what you're recording. So make sure you're gonna pack your headphones. Additionally, in my bag, I'm packing set of my little microphones, and they are from low audio and the ultrasonic microphones. They're right here. And when I'm recording, like especially cars, if I want to attach them in the back by the exhaust, I'm using the windscreens. Put them on top, make sure they protect. And again, I can use the same clamps when I screw right here and attach somehow to the car, or just use this magnetic clamp. Again, you can screw it, attach, and it works. So this is my additional set. Plus, a lot of times when I record machines or anything, I need additional mics of ambience. I can just plug them right here because I have additional 2 inputs and Portacapture, and I'm getting great sound. So now you probably see what I have attached right here. So this is, let me show you. This is this little, like a pod filter. So no matter how loud the sound's gonna be, because sometimes even with 32-bit, the sound will be even too loud, extreme loud. So all you have to do, use these devices, and basically you take it down, the signal, how much you wanna do, and the signal is gonna come nice, clean, and you're not gonna have distortions. So as you see, I already have like backup cables. Guys, I always pack backup cables. So, and I have this thing if I wanna connect to my shotgun microphone. So I have it right here. And of course I have a spare cable because sometimes things happen, you know what I mean? And the last thing when you're in a session, it's better be prepared than feel sorry. So pack extra cable. The next thing what I would recommend you to have, always have like gaffer tape. Gaffer tape, it's known by using by a lot of Foley artists and then movie and TV sets, because it's not leave any marks, any glue when you peel up, and it's very strong. So if you want to attach some microphones or anything on the recording, you can use gaffer tape and it's not going to leave any mark on your gear, and it's very strong and do the job. So it's good to have these things. In addition, what I use, if I'm going in the longer session and I know I'm gonna have a lot of recordings, I always bring extra battery with me. And guys, I would recommend you spend a little bit extra money and buy the lithium batteries. Don't buy regular, typical like batteries, because they're not gonna last you a long time. At least this one, you're probably gonna get like a couple hours of solid recording with no stress. But if you're planning to take your recorder and live like in the field somewhere, I would recommend you bring with you like power bank. I always have with me, just connect. And any recorders right now, pretty much, you can connect them anywhere to the USB-C port. And basically when you play this and you stand, you have nothing to worry about. You're gonna run out of juice, and just hit record, and you will be all set. And you're gonna save money and batteries because this thing will be pretty much free if you already have it. So this. Another thing what I want to show you, and it's very important, and we're gonna talk right now, guys, about safety. You see me always, I'm wearing gloves. And the reason why I'm wearing them, because I'm not only recording sounds, I'm recording a lot of times of the performance of the sound. So a lot of times if I hold the microphone in the one hand, I'm moving wiggle the sounds. And especially if you like in the junkyard or work with the sharp objects, it's very easy to get yourself cut. So make sure you're gonna wear some gloves, because in the end, you're gonna come to your studio, you wanna edit the sounds, and you have your hands, you don't wanna have your hands be stuck, dirty, and especially cut with the band-aids. So it's a good thing to have it. Another thing before I forget, always packing, I learned this lesson hard way, packing additional SD backup card. And I tell you what, like, it's happened to me one time, so I went recording, and I ran out of space. What's happened, when I transfer my files, I wasn't sure even if I transfer all, I forget clean my SD card, and I was just so afraid just to clean, erase everything was in my card, because I will be used previous recording, and I just have to call up the session and come back next day. So it's good to have it, you know, I mean, you don't have to open, but you have it, you don't have to worry. The next thing what I would recommend you is wear your safety glasses. Guys, when I'm especially like in the racetracks, when the car's going, the dirt, everything's coming to your eyes, or when you're recording any machines or anything, wear them, because the little derbies flying, we only have one set of eyes, and it's very easy to get damaged. So small investment, but gonna provide you safety. Another thing what I wanna show you, what I just started using and that was recommended to me to use, it's this simple safety vest. A lot of times I'm going in the field and I will be like in the junkyard or like in the machine shop or even like in the racetrack, and you want to record something, they want to make sure they see you, because when the guys operate big machines on top, it's hard to see if you're wearing black like I do always, blending with everything. At least when they see this reflector, they can see you and just provide like the extra level of the safeness for you. So guys, small investment, $10 on Amazon, and you will be just safe. And trust me, the guys, when they're gonna let you go recording, they're gonna appreciate you pay serious attention to the safety, and they're probably gonna let you come back again, because it's good to have it. Okay, and the last thing, what I keep to the last, is very important too, is your first ID kit. I went a lot of times to recording session when I basically just cut myself and there was nobody to help me, because when you're in the junk, I said, okay, go record you some, I'm smashing the glass or something, and you just get cut. And I'm walking like this after, do you have any band-aid? In this case right now, I can provide myself little help if I need or anything. So it's good to have it. And you know, that's the kit what I'm using usually in my car. So when I'm packing, I just put inside my bag, bring with me, and I have it. So you don't have to nothing to worry. So guys, this is everything what's in my bag when I'm going recording. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned anything today from this thing and give you some ideas how to prepare for your next recording. And if you're interested in any of this stuff what I show you today, the link is like right below of the video, so you can find everything. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.